Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about home certification and ingress scans using your Dsam meter. I know most of you are very familiar with using your Dsams, but we just want to take a couple moments to go over the basics to make sure everybody's on the same page because it's so critically important to our customers. First off, let's talk about what is ingress. Ingress, of course, is unwanted signal on our frequencies that cause a degradation of service to our customers. It's usually caused by loose connectors or bad wiring inside the home. So it's on us to make sure that no signal is feeding back into the system because ingress can cause an entire node to go down, impacting a lot of customers. So let me walk you through the steps to... Alright, so looking at our Dsams, we're in the signal measure options, and we're going to go over to the spectrum view, which is our spectrum tab, which is the third soft key from the left. The very top is ingress scan. I'm going to enter into there and see what kind of ingress is coming into the system. And as we hook it up to the drop feeding back to the house, we're going to see exactly what is feeding back into the system. Now hopefully you've got all of the customers' TVs, the cable modem is on, dories, whatever you have inside the house, all the CPE is on so that you can get a real accurate reading of what is coming back onto the system. And as you can see, we have something happening here where we need to chase it down and fix the problem. Most ingress comes from loose connectors or poor wiring. So process of elimination at the splitter, so we take off outlets, and if it disappears like that, you know which outlet you need to chase down. Most meters are going to be set to negative 40 dB is the limit. This one's currently set to 30, but that will be changing in all areas very soon. Now, once we've eliminated all of the ingress in the home, we want to certify the home. And to do this, we're going to do an auto test. And home certification. And we're going to create a folder for every new job you're on. You're going to enter in the job number. Let's make up one here. And open it. You're going to pick your channel plan, your location, whether it be cable modem, ground block, tap, or TV, and hit next. You have two options. You have the home certification and ingress scan. I would do the home certification last before you do the ingress scan because that will help you avoid extra trips to the tap, especially if you have a backyard easement or have to go up a pole in some way. So ingress scan, let's do that first, see what we come up with. Make sure we're connected to the house, hit yes, and it's going to do its auto test. So we passed at the ground block. Obviously, we can change the limits on this too, to cable modem, tap, wherever we're at. And now we're going to go back to, we want to save this. We're at the ground block. I'm going to save it. Now we're going to go to home certification. I hit select test there, and after everything, the signal is on, your last step is you're going to do this home certification. Alright, so we've completed a successful home certification and ingress scan. We're going to save both of the files in the folder that is labeled as your job number. After we do that,
we can sync up with any Ethernet cord and send the information to our server. So taking this little bit of time to do this will really not only help ourselves, but especially help our customers, ensuring that there's no ingress feeding back on the system. Please let your supervisor know if any channel plan or levels need to be adjusted in your particular market, and we can make those adjustments very quickly. Thank you.